Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Alright, so today I want to show you a very nice way of vamping. Yeah, so I'll be in the key of F. So I will demonstrate first, then I will go on to show you the stuff I'm doing. So I'm in the key of F, which has F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Right, so let's say the singing song. Oh yeah, man. Sorry for the what's it called? The lyrics. You can write the correct lyrics in the comment section. God bless you. Right, so there are various variations to this, and I do a lot of them. So there's no one way of doing this thing. There are many ways of doing it. I can just hit or so there are just different ways of doing this. So I will show you some of the free stuff, the one I play now, and then I can always do more and more in some other videos. Right, so but before then, I want to quickly introduce you to my intermediate piano course, an over 2-hour video, pre-recorded video course. You can see the syllabus on the screen. Yeah, and where I taught that in video lessons. It comes with video lesson, it comes with a PDF, it comes with MIDI files also for your practice, slow practice, and it goes for 4,000 naira for people in Nigeria. The price is going up very, very soon, but presently it's selling for 4,000 naira, right? And then for people abroad, it sells for $12 also, right? So if you're ready, you can just check the comment section for my WhatsApp contact to contact me and buy your own very fast now. Or if you are in some other countries like Ghana, Rwanda, what's it called, Cameroon, you can check also for my seller store link on the about section of this channel, or just ask me for the link. And it's very safe. Trust me. I'm a public figure, so when I say something is safe, I mean it's safe. I've had a lot of people tried it over the years. That's what we use. All right, so I'm expecting you. So let's get to what we have today. Right, so the progression is going 1 4 5 4 1 1 4 5 4 1. So now let me show you the chords I'm playing first. So I'm holding my 3 5 1 on both ends. Then when I go to 4, I'm doing just 4 and 6. That's B flat and D. Then 5, I'm doing this inversion. G, C, E, grand common entrance, G, C, E, right? All right, so it goes like that. And please let me know the country you are watching from. It's been a while we did this. Let me know the country you are watching from. Just comment on the comment section. God bless you. All right, so it goes 1 4 5 4. So this groove can actually be taken into different stuff. You can use it for wall rock. Right, and it can be done for the LF or the area kind of stuff you're doing. So listen to how it sounds very slow. Left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. So right like that. So you keep eating like that, and then you can do the either block chords, just like you can do the arpeggio. This is kind of broken. I can also still break it more, but this is kind of broken. And then you can also do the block chord that just go. Now the difference is this one, you just hear the whole chord. You don't hear any special note. You know, this one we can hear fala, we can hear, right? But in this other one you just hit. So you choose anyone. And then the third one I did something like this. I'll still do more on this. So that is F, A, C, F, then B flat and D goes down, then E, G, C, E, then B flat and D goes down again, then it starts go down, go down, go down. So that's what became. So in case you don't have a bassist, you can actually split that. It's been a while I did this. So what's my left hand doing is just doing 5, 1, 5, then 5, 2, 5. So but you need to practice them. You need to practice them. Alright, so I hope you've learned something today. So you can go over the lesson again to watch that again. So I learned that before Sunday so that you can play this while in church and glorify God with it. God bless you. See you in my next video. Don't forget we have over 700 piano tutorials on this channel, right? So don't miss any of them. Watch all of them. God bless you, and inbox me to buy the intermediate piano course so that your journey will be faster. God bless you.